Car, you go try your brake. Stop it, car! Stop! What's up, K&J family? So this morning, I'm going to give you a little preview, a little driving lesson. So you just stay tuned for that and not long. Just stay tuned for you. See there, comfy car? Ready, Rana? Ready. Alright. Hey K&J family, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that music in the car was playing, so I'm going to do a voiceover. So basically, as I give a little breakdown at the beginning already what I'm doing, I'm going to teach you how to drive or just give her some little lessons and stuff. So basically what my day is I talk about is the time when I stop drop down. So we're about to get started, so I just go and watch. So right here, so me ask her, so Rana, what are you supposed to do before you start drive? She said she's supposed to put on her seatbelt and then she's supposed to put the car in a drive. So brother, I trouble her. I said, oh Rana, you're supposed to start the car first before you put the car in a drive. Just as I say, the car started ready. Then now, she will tell me to draw my seatbelt. It looks like she have plans. Look like she planned to break my neck or she planned to make me fly through the window. So she had to tell me to put on my seatbelt. But just to be safe, I put on my seatbelt. Alright guys, so here we go. Whoa, wait, right, don't kill me. Jesus Christ, ready to step on the brake so hard they say the camera flick over. Don't really have to take a time, we have to take time. Yeah, just take your time, cruise, and go through, just take a little time. Make sure one little thing I walk on outside. Yes guys. So right here, so now I tell her because she will stop me. Make sure you know, so listen, other people that drive behind so you can't just take some sudden break like that. And if you're gonna drive off back, you can't just drive on back on the road. You have to look in your mirror and make sure so it is safe and the road clear before you proceed. Then I tell her so she can't twist up her hand them because if she turn the steering and her hand them twist up, like if she fail. Because if I hand them twist up and she could go around a corner or she end up meeting any complication and her hand them twist up like that, it will cause problems. So she can't keep her hand them twist up like that. Just I tell her so she will take her little time, just hold the steering straight. From as long as it's straight, the car will go straight. Let's say you control the vehicle and the vehicle control you. You have to remember Serena is you in charge of the vehicle. So about a step on the sudden the brake too hard and make my neck have to fly. We want to break off my neck. Just relax, just cruise and just go on. Just take a little time and we get the hang of it. Alright, so there's now somebody come and me tell her so if you just take a little time up on the brake and make the person pass because fear side of the road block off. So she must just go up on her brake a little bit. Just take a little time and make the person pass. So she decided to laugh because she knows that she reach a part where she fear to go around the corner. She had to be saying, hold on, watch out for your neck broke off, you know. So just take a little time and approach the corner. Take time and turn the steering. And just take a little time go around the corner. She like my woman stop. If you forgot the car need gas to move. Camera ever drop because we're gonna take some break there. I tell her, say, you know, if you step on the brakes so hard. So anyway guys, right now we approach a blind corner. So I say twice right now, so we approach the blind corner. You have to just take your time, go up to the corner and press your hands so anybody who are coming around the corner know so you're coming around so them can hold them space, hold them corner, size up themselves so you can come around. So guys, it went totally haywire from here. It went downhill. Carrier, go try your brake. Stop it, car! Stop! Stop! No! Wait! Come! Sorry, keep it car! Guys, hold on! Look at guys! Look which one! Let me come show you which one Rihanna carry car come. You see that? This is where Rihanna drive the car. Coming from all the way around the corner. You come put me in a problem though. No. Muchin. Guys, I'm frightened your friend. Look what me I saw it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I said, guys, my heart reached my mouth because when we come around the corner, my sister there was another car there. I said to her, I said, alright, slow down the car, shadow your brake, for beat the other car for make him sister get the behind him because him block up the road at chat. And the car that was nearly running at the park on the side. So I said to her, I said, take a little time. She said when she hear me tell her, I said, go up on the brake. She feel like her foot did up on the brake, so she said, yes. Me I said, tap. And this a mad pit and do a better thing, guys. Than when she stop the car, she take her foot off of the brake again. She said when she take her foot off of the brake, she think the car that go just stop. So she take her foot off of the brake. So I saw me see the car run and go into the people in van again. And me I said, stop. Me have to fling the car in a park for the car stop. I said, guys, I said, my friend, I never frightened. So yeah, come here, I said, Jesus pay, rather go bash up for people in vehicle. What me have to go pay for? Oh Lord, help me. All me I tell her tap. She give the car more gas, but I don't know which part she feel. So stop mean go. Guys, she said she don't know which foot for use. I tell her already say you can't drive with 2 foot cause she feel like she want to drive with 2 foot, 1 pan gas and 1 pan brake, and so it go. She said she did there play crisscross with her foot. Them she say which foot again? I go tell me say if me did buck up in the car would I just be a little bounce. So car no lick up and give little bounce and so it go. Now which book you are read? Guys, we have to take back the car, man. She asked me again. I said, when I finish the journey, I say next time, because right now my mind frazzled, you know. Right here, so guys, we're gonna tell me, say, Kian, you want to know, say, oh, you talk and I tell me, I say, yeah. The first time she do it, she do excellent, and right now she do a good job. She say, Kian, in my head, I feel like me the best driver in the world. It's the confidence to me, and she just go through. She say, yo, when she take the corner, and I say brake, and she say her foot up on the gas, she feel like at the brake, she say, yeah, okay, and so me I go on well, so yes. I don't know what she think, guys, but in a fear head, it spells sense to she. It spells sense to she, guys.
Alright, foot is for gas, and my left foot is for brake.
What?
Copy?
So we are home safely. Thank God.
Listen to me now.
Yeah, and then I came outside.
It was an accident.
Exactly. Who meet in an accident on the road and come out and say, John, who star, call somebody else. I know some meet in a spite. So guys, that was just a little preview of Rihanna nearly kill we have. So you go and show me the finger. Thank you guys for watching Rihanna nearly kill we have. I match up people in vehicle. So we see you next time. Alright guys, big up on yourself. Stay safe.